Today is Valentine's Day, and today I'm going to make my famous French toast for my beautiful wife and I for Valentine's Day. And take a look over here, guys. I broke out the big guns, spared no expense, went all out. We got the Russell Stover's chocolates. It's Valentine's Day, I mean, come on. Want to make wifey happy? Grab some of this right here. So guys, for my French toast, I'm gonna start out with 4 eggs. I got a tablespoon, well, a teaspoon and a half of some ground cinnamon. I got about a teaspoon and a half of some sugar. I'm using about a teaspoon of some vanilla extract and about a half a cup of orange juice. I'm gonna use just a small dash of salt. Let's get started, guys. All right, guys. Here I also have a little bit of half and half. Now you could use some whole milk in this, or you could even use some heavy cream, but put the heavy cream in last because you want to mix this whole thing up. I'm going to go ahead and put the half and half in, and I'm going with a half a cup of half and half. I'll go ahead and pour that right in, and I'm going to go ahead and put in a small dash of salt. Not much, just about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. About that much right there, guys. Look at that. In. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and whisk this whole thing together. Okay guys, so I transferred my custard mix in this shallow Pyrex over here because I like to dredge it in that. And then I'm gonna go ahead, preheat my pan and put some butter in there. I'll put about a tablespoon and a quarter of butter in there. Go ahead and melt that down. Get my pan started. Let's get some heat under this guy. My wife was making a joke, guys, about my pans that I have. She was telling me, because we have a new set that we haven't broken into yet, and it's really a good set. I'm gonna be using that soon. I'm gonna show you guys what that's like. We've been so used to using the old set that it's hard to just put it away and break out the new set. If something isn't broke, why fix it, hey? Is that what they say? Yes. But this new set I got, I just couldn't resist. Price was right, and it's a beautiful set, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on my next video. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and melt some butter in this heavy bottom skillet that I have here. So I put that on about number 6, guys. You'll know when it's time to put your French toast in because you'll see the butter starting to cook a little bit in there. You don't want to brown it off too much. I went ahead and sliced some day old challah bread here, about 1 inch, 1.25 inches. So you go ahead and slice yours the same way, guys. Look at that. Really nice, just like that. It's a good way to use this bread up too without wasting any of it. Just make French toast. Guys, just to let you know, this recipe is similar in making what's known as bread pudding too, guys. So that's a whole nother segment we'll get into, guys. I'll show you all of that. But yeah, that's where you are. All right, guys, so remember, guys, French toast loves cinnamon. Cinnamon goes hand in hand with French toast, without a doubt. So don't forget all the ingredients. Just overlook everything and follow the recipe step by step, and you can't go wrong. Guys, at this point, my butter is melted in my pan. It's where I want it to be. You can see it's slightly going to turn a little amber. Hasn't gotten there yet, but that's okay, because you don't want it too high. You know, I like doing this too, because then I can get a little bit of the sides going there. So watch this, guys, real easy. So go ahead, hold your dredge. Dip your bread in there, both sides. You see what I mean when I say cinnamon loves French toast? French toast loves cinnamon. Look at that, double dredging, triple dredging. It'll drink it all up, guys. Just like this, guys. Here we go, right here. You see that amber color on the butter? right there. You hear that sound? That's just what you want. At this point, guys, definitely you want to turn your fire back down. Bring it to about number 4. Don't be afraid. Go back in. Start the second process. Alright guys, time to check the French toast and give it a quick flip. At this point, what I'm gonna do with it is I'm gonna put in another tablespoon, my bad, of butter in the pan. Don't be afraid, guys, just go for it. Yeah, you might say, hey, Ringo, that's a lot of butter, man. But guess what? You're not gonna eat this every day. It's Valentine's Day. Want to make your wife happy? Guess what? Butter, French toast, bacon, those things make her happy. So just go for it. Put it in there, melt it all around. Check your French toast. That's what you're looking for, guys. That's the color you want, and you could flip it a couple of times. Don't be afraid. Guys, here we are with the French toast. And go ahead. Got both sides nicely brown. Got away a little, but not too bad. Little char won't hurt. Still gonna taste good. It's beautiful, but that's what you want, guys, just like that. Turn my oven down nice and low. Keep them in the oven, keep them nice and warm. At this point, guys, I only got a few pieces left. I'll go ahead and add a little bit more butter to that. Pop it in there. We don't waste anything in Ringo's kitchen here, guys. We cook everything. Put it all in. Only thing gonna get wasted is a little bit of this custard. So do with that as you please, but I'm throwing it out. So here we go, guys, with the finished product. Look how lovely that looks. Today I'm using fresh strawberries, but you can use fresh bananas, you can use blueberries, you can use whatever fruit you like. And I'm gonna be using some old-fashioned maple syrup on that. And you can do this too, just like your favorite chef, Emerald. Watch this, guys. Bang, 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 bang. Don't let it go, guys. That's it. This is for your wife or your significant other on Valentine's Day. From my kitchen to yours. Enjoy.